Pag-usapan po natin uli yung benefits sa ating Kaiser National Healthcare Shield. Ito po ay semi-private room up to 75,000 maximum benefit limit per illness per year. Ito po ay no deposit admission in 2,000 plus accredited hospitals and clinics nationwide. Kasama po yung ating major hospitals. Meron po tayong hanggang 100% reimbursement for emergency care in non-accredited hospitals. Doon po sa lugar na walang accredited hospitals ito ha. At the core of it all, meron po tayong 24/7 support with customer care call center. At para sa groups, meron po tayong assigned na liaison officer. Anong ibig sabihin ng maximum benefit limit? Ito po ay kasama yung ating consultation, laboratory, diagnostic procedures, and hospitalization per illness. Halimbawa po, may member na may asthma, na-aksidente at nakakuha ng dengue, it is possible po, no? Na maaari makakuha ng up to 75,000 na benefits para sa asthma, up to 75,000 benefits para sa aksidente, up to 75,000 benefits para sa dengue. Or do sa example nito, maaaring umabot ng 225,000 ang total benefits.